Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PS2 parts is probably one of the most iconic consoles ever made, and it's still going strong thanks to the availability of replacement parts. Whether you're a seasoned gamer looking to revive a classic or a curious enthusiast wanting to understand the inner workings of this legendary machine, this video is your ultimate guide to navigating the world of PS2 parts. Number 5. 8-bit DO Retro Receiver, PS1 PS2 Windows, Xbox PlayStation. Tired of wires? This receiver lets you play your classic PS1 and PS2 games wirelessly. It's a simple solution for a cleaner gaming experience. This receiver works with PS1, PS2, and Windows 10-11. It supports a wide range of controllers, including Xbox and PlayStation controllers. You can use Xbox One, Series, and Elite controllers. PlayStation 4 and 5 controllers are also compatible. Even Wii U Pro and Switch Pro controllers work with it. Some 8-bit DO Bluetooth controllers and arcade sticks are supported. However, it does not support the Xbox Edition controllers. Enjoy virtually lag-free gaming. It also supports controller vibration and firmware updates, keeping it up to date. What we like. This receiver lets you ditch the wires and play your PS2 wirelessly. It supports a huge range of controllers, from modern Xbox and PlayStation controllers to the Switch Pro. If you're tired of tangled cables and want a seamless gaming experience, you should definitely consider this. What people say. This receiver works flawlessly with my PS2. Once plugged in, the receiver quickly syncs with a range of Bluetooth controllers, including Xbox Series, Xbox One, Switch Pro, PS4, and PS5 controllers. Connects in 2 seconds and there is no lag at all. Number 4. TECTINTER PVR 802W PS2 Slim Laser Lens Replacement. Is your PS2 Slim struggling to read discs? This replacement laser lens is the solution. It's designed to breathe new life into your console, ensuring smooth gameplay. This PVR 802W laser lens is compatible with PS2 Slim models 70,000, 90,000, 77,000, and 79,000 series. However, it is not for the 75,000 series. Make sure it fits your console. Made with original Slim laser lens components, this replacement part offers durability and reliability. It's designed to replace worn or damaged lenses, restoring your gaming experience. Before installing, remember to desolder the anti-static solder point. Failing to do so may prevent the console from functioning correctly. Please be careful during the process. The lens is easy to install and has been tested before shipping. You can quickly get your console back up and running. Enjoy your games again. We offer a 3-month guarantee. Buy with confidence, knowing that you're covered. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This laser lens is a direct replacement for your worn-out PS2 Slim lens. Made with high-quality materials, it promises durability and a long lifespan. If your PS2 is having trouble reading discs, or you're looking to restore your console to its former glory, it's a great choice. What people say. Once installed, the replacement lens loads games at normal speed, and so far it's been stable. Worked perfectly with my PS2 Slim, and now I'm back to playing my original GTA games. The installation process was very simple and straightforward. The guide I found on YouTube got me through the process in under 10 minutes. The best part about this particular laser unit is that the anti-static point that you may have read about needing to desolder has already been removed, so if you don't have a soldering iron there is no issue. I would, however, recommend using a set of Phillips eyeglass screwdrivers as the screws you are dealing with will be very, very small. After closing the console up, I plugged everything in, and tried out my test games. Siphon Filter for PS1, Ace Combat 4 for PS2, each were read in under 5 seconds. The unit has been going strong ever since. Number 3. PS2 Slim 7W Pickup Laser Lens Ribbon Cable. This is a brand new, high-quality ribbon cable. It's designed to provide a reliable connection for your device. This ribbon cable is specifically designed for PS2 models 70,000, 75,000, and 77,000. It's a perfect fit for your console. Replacing the damaged or worn-out cable is easy. This part will restore the functionality of your device. The cable is small and fully sealed, making it easy to carry. It's a convenient solution for repairs. This cable is cost-effective and highly reliable. It ensures a stable connection for your device. What we like. This ribbon cable is a must-have if your PS2 Slim's laser lens isn't working correctly. It's designed for easy replacement, so you can get back to gaming quickly. If you're experiencing issues with your disk drive and suspect a faulty ribbon cable, you should consider this. What people say. The product worked as described. The part fit perfectly. The product was easy to install. Number 2. PS2 Slim SPU 3170 Replacement Laser Lens. This laser lens is specifically designed for the PS2 Slim SPU 3170 game console. Before you buy, make sure your console model matches this one to ensure it works perfectly and avoid any issues. The lens is made for easy installation, with precise cuts and interfaces. It fits perfectly into place, saving you time and effort during setup. This replacement lens significantly boosts your system's performance. It improves game loading times and overall system responsiveness, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Made with high-quality PCB material, the lens is rust-resistant and built to last. This not only extends the product's lifespan but also increases its reliability in various conditions. This is a top-quality replacement part that gets you back in action quickly. It swiftly restores your game console to its optimal condition, making it a practical solution. What we like. This replacement lens is specifically designed for the Slim SPU 3170 game console. It's easy to install and made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a reliable replacement lens that's easy to install, and want to ensure a perfect fit, you should consider this. What people say. I installed the new laser lens and started up my PS2 Slim. The laser moved into position but the laser light didn't come on and the disc didn't spin. I had seen YouTube videos about removing the soldering blob at the corner of the laser but it was already removed. I saw the blob on the ribbon that I have circled above. I removed the blob with a soldering iron and it worked perfectly. I had an SPU laser in my PS2, they're different from the PVR lasers. If you can see an orange strip on the front of yours, then this is the laser for you. If you don't see one, then look for a PVR 802W laser. Number 1. PS2 PS3 AV Cable for PlayStation 2 3, 6 feet. This AV cable is designed for PlayStation 2 and 3 consoles. It connects your console to your TV using RCA connectors for audio and video. It's a great replacement for lost or damaged cables. This cable is compatible with PS1, PS2, PS2 Slim, and PS3 consoles. Make sure your TV has RCA composite input before purchasing. It allows you to enjoy your games with superior image and sound. Simply connect the red, yellow, and white connectors to your TV. Then, plug the other end into your PlayStation console. This will provide a clear video and sound experience. This cable provides a fantastic gaming experience. It delivers clear video and sound, enhancing your gameplay. It's a perfect solution for connecting your console to your TV. If your original AV cable is lost or damaged, this is the perfect replacement. It ensures you can continue to enjoy your favorite PS games. It's a reliable and easy-to-use solution. What we like. This AV cable connects your PS2 or PS3 to your TV using RCA connectors, providing superior audio and video quality. It's a perfect replacement for lost or damaged cables. If you want to enjoy your games with clear visuals and sound, it's a great choice. What people say. It's the good old RCA to the PlayStation media output, so you are given a channel of video and 2 channels of audio. Really easy to use, it's just plug and play, and the RCA end has its own colors so you can match to the screen that you are using, so you can't go wrong with the use of the product. Looks like the original AV cable of Sony, but without the logo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.